Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video, we're going to try out the Paffle. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click the little bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. When I posted my first Chaffle video, I got all kinds of suggestions, including some words I'd never heard before, like Paffle and chol. And in this video, we are going to do the Paffle, and the recipe came specifically from Cat5. So KC, this is your recipe, you deserve the credit, look forward to trying it. For starters, we'll make our pork rind breadcrumbs. Wow, look at this one. One large egg, beaten, a third of a cup of shredded mozzarella, a half a cup of my pork rind panko, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of paprika, sweet or smoked. Mix together until all of our ingredients are fully incorporated. And use about half the batter per Paffle. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's get this out and onto a cooling rack. So first off, I noticed the batter was a lot thicker. I didn't expect it to spread a lot. You may need to use a little bit more than you're used to in order to fill up your standard Dash waffle maker. Let's see how it tastes. I like this. And I was really unprepared for the way it was going to taste. It reminds me, both taste and texture, a lot of a seasoned tater tot. This is another one that I think would make a really nice sandwich bun. I think, you wouldn't have to add anything really additional in terms of condiments besides a little bit of mayonnaise because it's already got enough flavor in it. I would think a roast beef and cheddar or a turkey and Swiss on something like this would be pretty amazing. So one thing about this recipe that Cat5 provided, she had said 1/4 teaspoon garlic/onion powder. And I don't know if that meant 1/4 of a teaspoon each or 1/4 of a teaspoon of either or 1/4 of a teaspoon combined. I think maybe this is a little bit strong on the garlic and onion powder, and if I were to do these again, I might dial back and just do 1/4 teaspoon total between the garlic and onion powders. Unless I knew that I was going to be breathing on someone that I really didn't like very much, in which case then, yeah, go to town. So that's the Paffle. If you're finding that you're getting tired of the Chaffle and you want to mix it up and get something that works out as a pretty good sandwich bread, I think this is pretty solid. Thanks for watching.